You were kind enough to contribute an article on national interest waivers, which, the rules changed a couple years back to the benefit of applicants, which was a major
Yes.
shift in the old NISDOT standard.
Yes.
How have been your national interest waiver cases? How long are they taking on average right now for an I-140? Is it all over the place, or are they? Is there any time frame you're seeing?
Right now, it's all over the place. The approvals we're getting, clients have been waiting for over a year. In the good old days, it was 6 months, or sometimes 4 months, we had an approval. Now it's longer. I know the Biden administration, they want to invest in increasing efficiency, so we look forward to that. We're also looking forward to a possible premium processing on that. That would be terrific. But right now, clients are waiting, over a year for an approval. Yeah. Let's see what happens down the road for current clients applying right now. But definitely the law has changed to the benefit of these applicants in 2016 with the case law matter of Danassar from the AAO. And that really opened up the pool of possible applicants that can come, because the standard was very lofty before. And we've been able to help a lot of people. And it's one of the reasons we've grown that part of the practice, who at first glance, you would not say, wow, they're exceptional. They're good, and they're very important to their organization. But if you dig deep and you use those concepts, you can pull a win for people that never expected to get a green card this way.
What are some of the job fields that were like you wouldn't expect under the old standard? Are there any particular that stand out that worked out? I don't want to put you under pressure.
No. This is great. For example, like some business managers, some optimization or process optimization managers, some financial advisors, for example, some teachers, right? For example, special education. I had somebody who developed an app to help kids. So with Danassar, you have to be careful that your endeavor has to be something that's going to impact a population that exceeds the organization you're working with. So, for example, if it's a teacher, well, that's great. But if that's all that he or she is doing, you're probably not going to get it under national importance. But if that teacher is writing articles, or if that teacher has a blog or a channel or something significant, or created an app, that teacher can get it. So I always remind people, look, yes, we frequently help, engineers and entrepreneurs and people in the medical field, etc. But it's really a case by case. So if you think that you have some good experience in your field, you have that advanced degree, or you don't have an advanced degree, you can get it under exceptional ability, you should definitely do a consultation.
When I read the AAO decisions on national interest waivers, one of the most denied ones I read is teachers. And the main reason is that it attaches to the national aspect. They may be like the Teacher of the Year award, all this kind of stuff. But if they're just at one school, that doesn't hit the national level. And that prong is for some cases really easy to match. But for a teacher, I think that's one of the harder ones to get. But it's doable. Now, this is controversial. There's a firm in Florida, and I think it's partially managed or some way by a non-lawyer. But and they're Brazilians. You may have heard of them. They're from your hometown originally. But they're saying like everyone gets NIWs and pilots and stuff like that, and they show approval notices. So it always bothered me. They said there's a pilot shortage. The pilots should be able to get NIWs and stuff like that. So it's always like, are they really getting it? Is it working out and stuff? But they should put a post-approval notices. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but you can play with NIW if you could prove the national importance, and they're going to continue that work in the United States. It might be worth a shot. Just got to heavily document it and have some good facts to go with it.
Absolutely. And I tell people, look, right now, I would say the most difficult prong is the one you mentioned. It's national importance, right? Because national importance is not like the layperson understands the word. Oh, being a special education teacher, of course, that's of national importance. But you have to prove that impact that goes beyond the organization you're coming here to serve. So if you can find creative and legitimate ways of doing that, you have a shot.